Okay, if you're in like the first class today, you're probably going to want to get this thing shook up. Once you got it all sanded, it's ready to go. First thing you're going to want to do is get this shook up. Now, if other people have used it today, you can probably just use it and it'll be fine. I will say that it is stained, and this is staining. And if somebody could grab me a screwdriver in the top thing, that'd be awesome. Because it's stained, if it gets on your clothes, it stains your clothes. I don't care if you have a Super X 2000 washer. Can you give me a flathead?
Okay.
This might work. No, I need a flathead. Sorry about that. I should have been really specific. If you get it on your clothes, it will stain your clothes. Alright, so once again, if you get it on your clothes, it will stain your clothes. If you don't want it to stain your clothes, don't get it on your clothes. Now, accidents do happen. So if you want to make sure that you don't get stain on your clothes that you're wearing, maybe you should get some different clothes for tomorrow. Like wear some old clothes that you don't care if they get stained. Or bring some old clothes and change in the bathroom quick, or go to the locker room and change, or go throw your gym clothes on quick. If you say, hey, can I go put my gym clothes on? Sure, go, if you don't care about your gym clothes getting stain on them. If you get stain on what you're wearing, I don't know what to tell you. My suggestion is to wear different clothes. Okay. Could you have those guys go get to work? That'd be a good idea for them. Once I get the... Okay. Grab yourself a brush, and then I don't really care where you start, but you're going to start, and you're going to just kind of paint it on. And you paint it on, or brush it on, with the grain. So once again, the same way you sanded, which was with the grain, you will brush it on with the grain. And you want to cover the entire thing. So you start like this, and you work it into all those spots, and you want to keep it moving around. Now the stain is water-based stain, which is good for the brushes because you can then take them over to the sink and rinse them out. So my hope is that you can do that when you're done. Now I don't know if I'm going to stain this whole side. Now you could stain, you need to stain the top. Everything you can see you need to stain. So that includes the top, the sides, everything. And you don't want to put it on too thick. You want to make it nice and spread out and even. You can see I kind of keep going over the same spots. Get a little bit more here. Obviously, I put the cardboard down. You need to do it on the cardboard. You can't just do it wherever you want. If I need to get more cardboard out, I can. Alright. Now, obviously there's more to that side than what I have right there. One thing you will want to keep doing is you're going to go through a lot of paper towels. The paper towels can be used to take off that extra stain, and you can see I'm kind of taking it off and it's making it lighter. With some stains, you want to take it off after 10-15 minutes. This stain, I have found that, honestly, as soon as you get a side done, or even a half a side like this, get the stain off as soon as you can, and it'll look really nice. You can see this all looks nice. The only part that didn't stain well is where that person, this is somebody's that I'm using as an example, got glue on it, and that glue covered the pores, so the stain couldn't get into the pores of the wood. But this all looks really nice right here, and I kind of took that off. And the next thing I would do is grab my brush and start working right there. But more often, the more often you take it off with the paper towel, it's going to look a lot better. Otherwise, if you don't take it off, it kind of starts to look like it was painted on there, and it really should be stained on there, not painted on and covered on the outside. When you get done then, you can do the whole thing. Then you head over to the sink here. I always turn it on hot. Cold water works too, but get it on. Wash out the brush, rinse out the brush. As soon as you don't see any brown coming out of the brush anymore, you probably got it washed out pretty good. Dry it out a little bit. Grab some more paper towel. Like I said, we'll go through some paper towel for this, but that's okay. Dry it out, and then you should have a pretty clean brush if you dry it out really good and wash it out really good. And then you can leave it over here at the table for some other people to use. Alright?